Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Open Power Automate and select the Desktop Flow option. Sign in with your work account and pick or create an environment. Click New and choose Desktop Flow to prepare recording. Click Recorder and choose Basic Recorder or Desktop Recorder to match your task. Set a 30-second delay if you need to stabilize the app before actions begin. Confirm target application, window, and resolution settings so input coordinates remain stable during playback. Save the flow draft before recording to avoid losing progress. Click Record and perform each action slowly and deliberately to capture reliable steps. Use the keystrokes option for text entries and the click option for GUI elements. When filling forms, type values like 12,345 or 5,000 exactly as in your source. Add a 2-second pause between complex steps to ensure reliability and avoid missed inputs. Use window selectors and relative coordinates where possible to keep actions flexible across screens. Stop, review, and delete any redundant actions in the recorded sequence to streamline performance. Rename important steps and add comments to document decision points and variable usage. Run a test playthrough and observe for missed clicks or timing errors during playback. If errors occur, insert targeted delays or replace hard coordinates with selectors. Publish the desktop flow and trigger it from cloud flows or schedules for automation. Monitor run history and adjust timeouts or retries until the flow runs consistently across environments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.